How to create a Flask API in Python in only 60 seconds. To start, make sure you have Python installed, then go into your terminal and run pip install Flask. Once Flask is installed, I'm going to close the terminal for now and open a new file which will contain my API. From Flask, I'm going to import the Flask object, the request object, and the JSONify function, and I will also import the randint function from the random module for later. After creating a variable app that stores the application data, I will create a route using the app.route function decorator specifying the path as /API and the method as get. Then I create a function for this route. Inside this function is where the logic for the route is stored. In this case, I generate a random number, then return JSON with the JSONify function, which contains the number with the IP address of the requester. I obtained the IP address from the request object I imported above. Lastly, I use a name check, and finally call app.run to start the API. To run the API, call the Python file. To test your API, go to localhost port 5000 and view any routes you created. And that was